Yo, in today's video, we are going to be checking out the song by Lil Yachty and Ian. I almost said Indian. Fucking hell. The song is called Hate Me. It's on Lyrical Lemonade, the official music video. Let's check it out. 3, 2, 1.
Should be drinking no lean, I'm already half dead. Give a fuck, I'm a gangsta, I'm thug. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Where they kicking my blunt with no brand, yeah. If I face me another, I die here. I'm just praying I make it till Friday. Either way, I'ma die with my pride. Fell in love with the color and parked out front. Bitch, wait till you see the garage. I done made me a promise, I fight back once. This time I'ma leave it to God. On God, I ain't play about nothing once. When it's game time, jumping clutch. First thing in the morning, blunt. First thing in the morning, I jump off the porch and head straight to the porch. Get the driver like somebody chasing. Rocket, cause I can't afford it. My pockets enormous. Every time that I walk, I'm chasing. You don't know how to ball, you lazy. You ignore my calls, you crazy. One time for the hoes, I'm saving.
Ian is too tough, bro. Ian is too tough, bro. Like, I mean, fuck. Whether he's an industry plant or not, bro. His music is tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Time for the hoes that hate me. 2 times for the hoes that hate me. 3 times for the hoes that hate me. 3, 5 in the blunt, I'm spacing. 4 doors on the road, she's spacious. I don't know if it's smart I stay here. I don't know if I want that Maybach. I don't know if I find my way back. I ain't never gonna buy my way in. I ain't never gonna bow to no man. I don't care who the fuck you came with. I don't care what the fuck your name is. What? I'm chrome unfindable. Like I did me and hit it, not throw it away. Pop out that bitch and hit him in his face. We open our doors and that bitch and hit him in his face.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? That shit can't be real, right? There's no way Yachty's eyes is going like,
hit it, not throw it away. Pop out that bitch and hit him in his face.
nah, that's not real. That's not real. That's not real. There's no way, right? Nah, there's no way.
We open our doors in the summer. I took the roof off for the llama. I stuck in that bitch with a llama. I'm sneaking outside like Osama. No, I'm richer than your favorite rapper. If I'm not a guy, kill my mama. Biggest house on the street. The first blacks hit like Obama. Okay, let's see that thunder. On the plane, we took drugs under. And my bitch added them like Yolanda. I'ma pick the drink up from La Fonda. Pop, 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 yeah, fuck 'em. I been twisting my fingers, I bang. And concrete, the game. Same nigga, just rich, I ain't changed. Same nigga, I'm towing that flame. I'm the same old kid, but I gotta grow up now. I'm a grown up now. I've been having some long ass nights. One more long ass flight, I'm right there next to you. Damn, drive move up, my legs need room. Damn, I really can call this backseat. I know all of my ex-hoes miss me. I was drifting, put a whole 16. I'm gonna clutch it, I don't do no wrestling. And my mouth diamonds look like a coupling. Put my bitch in ODG, free BG. We on TV, I'm making a movie. We on TV, I'm making a movie. Do rag on my head, it's the boonies. Fuck whooping his ass, he gon' sue me. I fuck it up fast and re-up. Sit drunk like I don't wanna be up. When we catch it, don't call for Jesus.
Nah, that was a chill song. That was a chill song. Cool music video, chill song, cool music video. You know what I'm saying? Alright, babe. Alright. Comment down below if you did enjoy that video, man. Hey, bro, I fuck with this song. I ain't gonna lie. It's a chill song, you know what I'm saying? Fucking Cole Bennett, you know what I'm saying? Did his thing. But yeah, other than that, it's been your boy Joel. If you did enjoy that video, be sure to like, subscribe, turn the post notifications on. If you did enjoy this video, and comment down below what y'all thought about it. And yeah, other than that, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out, yeah.